Alright, how you guys doing? Doing a little quick unboxing video. This is another 3D printed item that our great friends from Instagram, Facebook sent to us, and we're very excited to share it with you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, what he's been 3D printing has been coming out amazing. Definitely looking better than the stuff I've been printing out. So I got a hold of him, and he was definitely there for me and gave me some tips on how to do it. That's the great thing about the printing community. We help each other out. Of course, they're friends of ours, so they definitely helped us out. I have definitely never had a 3D printer person not email me back or not message me back, so that's definitely good. We're all there to learn, so here we go. I already opened this. Oh, it's amazing. And I'll just give you guys a quick rundown, because then I gotta work on putting it together. But as you guys know, I'll give you guys a little teaser right there. That's what it is. If you guys are diehard Power Ranger fans, you guys probably already know what it is. This is a definitely giveaway right there. Yep, it's a 3D printed Dragon Dagger, and it all comes apart. There it goes, comes apart. I put it together so far a little bit with the time I had between working, so, and it looks amazing. Here's the flute part, where the buttons go, and doing my best to show you guys a quick reference of what it'll look like right there. There's where the buttons will go, and the quality on that looks amazing. And there's a couple more parts. If you guys stay subscribed to our channel, you guys will see the finished product. If you guys follow our Instagram, we'll definitely be posting pictures on there. And as always, we appreciate the collaboration with our friends. Greatly thank you guys for sending this to us. We're very humbled to receive this. Till next time, remember to like, subscribe, get a thumbs up, hit that notification bell and whatnot. And let's keep going. Alright, let's get that road to 500 and then keep going. Alright, appreciate it. Till next time.